Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Akshara IT Foundation. This is Synop, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Yeah, today we are going to discuss about the properties of triangles topic, second synopsis. Okay. Yeah, let us. The half angle formulas we are going to learn today. Let us see the formulas once. Half angle formulas. Okay. So first formula sin a by 2. Sin a by 2 is equals to root over s minus b into s minus a by s minus b into s minus c by bc. So this is the formula for sin a by 2. Okay na? And we know that s value is nothing but perimeter of a triangle. S value is nothing but perimeter of a triangle. For example, if you take a triangle ABC, A is the length of BC and B is the length of AC and C is the length of AB. Okay na? So perimeter AB plus BC plus CA equals to A plus B plus C. Okay na? S is represented with 2S. Perimeter of triangle is represented with 2S, that is nothing but A plus B plus C. And here S is called semi-perimeter. S is called semi-perimeter, that is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. Half of the perimeter. Okay na? So root over S minus B into S minus C by BC. Okay. Now let us prove this one. For example, I am using the formula like cos 2a. What is the cos 2a formula? Multiple angles cos square a minus sin square a, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1. So among this, I am using that sign 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay na? So from this I can write 2 sin square a equals to 1 minus cos 2a, and sin square a equals to 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Okay na? So sin a is equals to root over 1 minus cos 2a by 2. In case in the place of sin a, if I write sin a by 2, what I have to write then? 1 minus cos a by 2. Okay na? So among all these, from the cos 2a multiple angle formula, I can write that sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2, root over 1 minus cos 2a by 2, and sin a by 2 is equals to root over 1 minus cos a by 2. Okay. So sin square a by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos a by 2. And in previous class we have discussed about the cosine rule. Okay na? I am just applying the cosine rule here. 1 minus cos a formula, we can write that one, b square plus c square minus 2bc, or b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Okay na? Cos a is equals to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc whole divided by 2. That is equals to 2bc into 1 is 2bc, 2bc minus this one, b square plus c square minus a square divided by 4bc. Actually 2bc, we are already having another denominator 2, 2 into 2, 4bc. Okay na? That is equals to 2bc minus b square minus c square minus r plus a square. Now while you are observing from first three terms are somewhat looking like a minus b whole square formula, right? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So for getting that, I am writing here first a square term, and from the remaining three terms I am taking minus as a common term, that is b square plus c square minus 2bc divided by 4bc. Okay na? See here, if I take minus common, minus b square become plus b square, minus c square become plus c square, and plus 2bc become minus 2bc divided by 4bc. Okay. Now this is in the form of b minus c whole square. So b minus a whole square formula, I can write that a square minus b minus c whole square by 2. Now again the numerator is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. So from this, a plus b into a minus b. Okay na? So divided by 4bc. Now see this one, I am writing this a plus b minus c, first one, and the second one I can write a minus b plus c, or a plus c minus b I can write. Okay na? So divided by 4bc. Okay. Now let us find AB in the place of a plus b. I am just substituting 2s minus c, because we know that a plus b plus c is equals to 2s. In the place of a plus b, I can write 2s minus c. And 2s minus c, here 1c. 2s minus 2c. Okay na? What will be there? 2s minus 2c. And the second one also same. A plus c. A plus in the place of a plus c, I can write 2s minus b. Here also minus b. 2s minus 2b. 2s minus 2b divided by 4bc. And this is the value for sine square a by 2. This is the value for sine square a by 2. But I want only sine a by 2 value, right? So sine a by 2 equals to root over, from this first bracket I am taking 2 is a common term, I will get s minus c. And from the second bracket also, if I take 2 is a common term, I will get s minus b by 4 into bc. So numerator 4, denominator 4 cancel. If I write in an order, it will be s minus b into s minus c by bc. So this is the formula for sine a by 2. Okay na? So I am using the cos 2a formula here to identify the value of sine a by 2 value. Same like cos a by 2 also I can use like that cos 2a formula only, but in the terms of 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Okay na? 1 plus cos a by 2. Okay. So sine a by 2 formula is root over s minus b into s minus c by bc. Similarly, we can write sine b by 2 formula. Sine b by 2 is equal to root over s minus a into s minus c by ac. Here b is there, no? Here not there b. Only a and c are presenting. Same way sine c by 2 value root over s minus a into s minus b by ab. Okay na? Similarly, we can prove that cos a by 2 formula also. Cos a by 2 is equals to root over s into s minus a by bc. Cos a by 2 formula s into s minus a by bc. Okay na? Same way tan a by 2 formula. Tan a by 2 is nothing but sin a by 2 by cos a by 2. Sin a by 2 having the numerator s minus b into s minus c by bc will be there. Here also bc will be there. Both of them cancel. So sin formula we can write s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus a. Okay na? This is the formula for sin a by 2. Sin a by 2. So you should remember all these formulas. So first formula is sin a by 2 root over s minus b into s minus c by bc. Cos a by 2 formula root over s into s minus a by bc. And tan a by 2 formula root over s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus a. Okay na? So these are the very important formulas. Then let us go to the one more formula. That is the formula is given that triangle formula. Yeah, triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC we can write by using this formula. That means one more formula I am going to find now. Area of triangle ABC equals to 1 by 2 into BC sin A of BC sin A. This is the area formula, area of a triangle formula. Okay, na? So for this we are taking a triangle like this, triangle ABC. Okay, na? Now I am going to draw a perpendicular here 90 degrees, there is nothing but AD, and we know that BC side length is nothing but small a, because it is opposite to the vertex A. Okay, na? So according to this triangle, what is the regular formula, area of triangle formula? Half base into height, right? Half base into height. That is equals to half base means BC, and height is nothing but AD. Height is nothing but AD. So that is equals to half BC. In the place of BC, I can write small a, and in the place of AD I am using here sin B degrees. I am applying sin B. Sin B is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side means AD. AD by A. AD by AB. So AB is nothing but small b. That means from this I can write here AB means small c, right? Yeah. So AD is equals to C into sin B. So in the place of AD I can write C into sin B. Okay, na? This is the formula for area of triangle half AC sin B. If AC is there, we should take sin B. Okay, na? That means I have taken that acute angle here at B, no? That's why. That means we can use any one of the formula of BC sin A, or of AC sin B, or of AB sin C. Anything we can use. Okay, na? By using this formula. That is equals to half AC into sin B, because at B I am taking the acute angle. Okay, so this is the one of the formula. Clear? And let us go to the next formula, that is so from this only we can write the one more formula, that is equals to, for area of triangle, in the place of B we can write 2r sin B. Am I right? By using the sin rule, we know that A by sin A. By using the sin rule, we can write A by sin A equals to B by sin B is equals to C by sin C equals to 2r. No. So from that A is equal to 2r into sin A. Same way in the place of B I can write 2r into sin B, and in the place of C I can write 2r into sin C, and remaining sin A. So sin A, sin B, sin C is there. Numerator to denominator to cancel. 2 into 2r into r, 2r square, sin A into sin B into sin C. This is also one of the formula for area of a triangle. Okay, until then we discussed area of triangle, two formulas, half BC into sin A, and second one 2r square into sin A into sin B into sin C. And also we have one more formula, that is area of triangle is equals to root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, na? This is the formula you already learned in your state syllabus. Okay, let us stop the discussion about the formulas. We'll go to the problems. So first practice sheet. Let us try to apply these formulas by solving these questions. Okay. Yeah, first problem. Yeah, 1 second, children. Yeah. So the first one is, if A value 5, B value 12 and C value 13. A value 5, B value 12 and C value is 13. Then the value of sin C by 2. Value of sin C by 2. What is the sin A by 2 value? Root over S minus B into S minus C by BC. Here C value no. So S minus A into S minus B by AB. This is the formula for sin C by 2. Half angle formula. Half formula. Okay. That is equals to root over S value is nothing but semi perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. Just add all of them. So 5 plus 12, 17, 17 plus 13 is 30, 30 by 2 is 15. So S value is 15. Okay, na? So I am writing here 15 minus A value 5 into 15 minus B value 12 by A into B. That means 5 into 12. Just simplify this. 15 minus 5 is 10 into 15 minus 12 is 3. 5 into 12. So 3 table 12 4 times. Here 2 times, 2 table, here 2 times. So root over 1 by 2. So apply the root separately. Root over 1 means 1 only. So it is nothing but 1 by root 2. So sin A by 2 value is, sin C by 2 value is 1 by root 2 according to these options. Okay, let us go to the next problem. The second problem is ABC values are given. We need to find the cos C by 2. You know the cos C by 2 value root over, that means formula is root over S into S minus C by AB. Okay, na? So you apply the formula and try to do this, and I am going for third problem. So in a triangle ABC, delta by S into S minus A. Here delta is nothing but area of a triangle. Delta is nothing but area of a triangle. So what is the area of a triangle formula? Root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C divided by, we know that S into S minus C. Now I am just trying to take this denominator also to the numerator. Then these two terms, that means S into S minus A becomes 2 times. That means S square into S minus A whole square. So numerator I am writing S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by S becomes S into S, and S minus A become S minus A into S minus A. Okay, na? Numerator S minus A, denominator S minus A cancel. Numerator S, denominator S cancel. What are the remaining terms here? S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A. So this is the formula for tan A by 2. See, S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A. S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A in the root of. So this is the formula for that. So we got the answer is tan A by 2. Okay. So let us go to the next problem. Problem number 4. Delta value, area of a triangle. So until then, what are the formulas we discussed? Area of a triangle is equals to half BC sin A. Half BC sin A. Okay, according to the options, yeah. So in the place of sin A, we can write that okay. So I am applying the multiple angle formula. Okay, na? So like sin 2A formula, sin 2A formula 2 sin A cos A. Now sin A formula 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 formula. Okay, na? Half BC is same. I am not disturbing any half BC value. Only sin A just expressing like this. So into 2 sin A by 2 formula root over S minus B into S minus C by BC. Okay, na? Here cos A by 2 value S into S minus A by BC. Okay, na? So numerator 2, denominator 2 cancel. So what is remaining? BC is remaining. Now this one I am just writing both of the square roots in a single root because both are multiplying. No, root A into root B can be expressed as root A into B. Same formula I am applying. S into S minus A, numerators. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by BC. So this is the formula for triangle ABC, right? Formula for triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC, but we should get the different formula. ABC by 4 or ABC by 2 or ABC by R. Okay. For getting the triangle formula, we are deriving like this actually. Okay. Now, yeah. Okay, let us try to derive. Yeah, I am just doing here. I am just multiplying the numerator and denominator by A because in every option I am having the term ABC. Okay, na? And what is the formula here? A by sin A. Actually, A by sin A is equals to 2R. A by sin A is equals to 2R. But sin A by A value is 1 by 2R. Okay, na? So, ABC into 1 ABC, 2R into 2 4R. So, this is the formula for triangle ABC. That is equals to triangle is equals to ABC by 4R. Okay, na? So, that is the option for the fourth one. So, let us go to the problem number 5. The fifth problem is B value is 60, small b is nothing but the side of AC, and S value semi-perimeter is 66, and the triangle equals to 330. Area of triangle is 330. We need to identify the value of tan B by 2. Okay, na? We need to identify the value of tan B by 2. Now we know the formula for area of triangle is equals to root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equals to 330, right? We know the formula for value for S value 66. So root over 66 into S minus A. S minus A means 66 minus A. 66 minus A. Yeah, B value we got, right? Tan B by 2 we should find. Okay. Tan B by 2 we should find. Okay. So B value we got. What is the B value? 60. S minus A as it is. B value 60. S value 66. 66 minus 60 is 6. Into S minus C is equals to 330. Now I am just separating S minus A into S minus B from this. S minus A into S minus C equals to 330 by root 66 into root 6. Root 66 into 6, I am writing 66 as 11 into 6 into 6. Okay, na? This is the value of root over tan S minus A into S minus C value. Okay, sorry, root over tan, sorry, not tan, root over S minus A into S minus C. Now, I am writing the tan B by 2 formula. Tan B by 2 only we need to find. Tan B by 2 formula, S minus A into S minus C by S into S minus B. Okay, na? Now, just I am trying to substitute the value here. From this, I am writing that tan B by 2 is equals to root over S into S minus A value. I got 330 by root 11 into 6 into 6. That means numerator value. By denominator value, root over S value how much? 66 into S minus B. S minus B value 6. Okay, na? S minus B value 6. Okay, now try to cancel it here. Tan B by 2 is equals to, but here actually we got that 66 into 6. Okay, and root over, yeah, for you you're also having root over S into S minus B. S value is 66 into 6. Okay, let us see the answer for that. Answer will be delta value 300. Now this one, area of a triangle 300. Both are cancelling. S into S minus. S value 66 and S minus B value 6. So S into S minus B value 6 into 66. So here also we can write 6 into 66. Okay, let us try to simplify this. Yeah, root over S into S minus A, sorry, S minus A into S minus B value we got like this, right? So from these two sixes we'll get 1 6, that is equals to 330 by root 11 into 6, 6 table 6 fives, 55 times. So root over S minus A into S minus C value is 55 by root 11. Okay, now try to substitute. Tan B by 2 value root over S minus A into S minus C by S into S minus B. Okay, na? That is equals to root over S into root over S minus A into S minus B value 55 by root 11. So here I can write without the root value we know that. So let me write like this: S minus A into S minus C value divided by S into S minus B. Okay, na? That is equals to this value we got 55. Yeah, 55 by root 11. 55 by root 11 divided by root over S value is 66 into S minus B. S minus B value is 6. Try to simplify this: 5 by root 11 into 1 by, that means divided by 1 means it will be reverse. So 1 by root 16 into, like this one 66, I can write 11 into 6 into 6. Okay, na? That is equals to 55 by root 11 into root 11 will be 11. In the square root of 2 sixes will be there, means 1 6 will come. So 11 table here 5 times, the answer is 5 by 6. Okay, na? Answer is 5 by 6. Let us go to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 6, that is given that area of triangle ABC, direct formula you can choose half BC sin A. First option, half BC sin A we can write, or half AB sin C, or half CA sin B, anything we can write. So area of a triangle, just now we discussed how it came. Problem number 7, root over S into S minus A by BC is the formula for cos A by 2. Second one is the formula for cos A by 2. What is the formula? Root over S into S minus A by BC. Okay, na? So let us go to the exercise 1 problem. Yeah. Exercise 1 problem. The first one is triangle ABC, A value, B value, C value given. That is tan A by 2 value we should find. So what is A value? Small a value is 4 centimeters, small b is 7, and small c is 9 centimeters. We need to identify the value of tan A by 2. Tan A by 2 formula. Tan A by 2 is equal to root over S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A. Okay, now substitute. S value is nothing but semi-perimeter, sum of all sides by 2. That means A plus 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 by 2. Half perimeter, 20 by 2, 10. Substitute the values. Root over 10 minus 7, S minus B value, and 10 minus 9 by 10 into 10 minus 4. Okay, so 10 minus 7 value is 3. So root over 3 into 1 by 10 into 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 3 table in 6, 2 times cancel, that is nothing but root over 1 by 20. 10 to the 20. So 1 by root 20 or root over 1 by 20. Anything can be same. So let us go to the problem number 2. Okay, now. So see the problem number 2. A value, S value, triangle value given, tan A by 2. Same like the previous problem that we discussed, problem number 5. Same problem like that. Same formula used. But A by 2, there B by 2 value is asked here, A by 2 value is asked. Okay. So accordingly you can change the answer. Okay. So try that one. Let us go to the problem number 3. Okay. So let us see the problem number 3. The problem number 3 is given that triangle ABC A minus B whole square into cos square C by 2. A minus B whole square into cos square C by 2 plus A plus B whole square into sin square C by 2. A plus B whole square into sin square C by 2. Okay, na? Yeah. Now let me expand that A minus B whole square formula. What is the A minus B whole square formula here? A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, into cos square C by 2. And here A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB into sin square C by 2. So here cos square C by 2, sin square C by 2, almost same. Now I am just multiplying A square into cos square C by 2, A square cos square C by 2 plus B square cos square C by 2 minus 2AB cos square C by 2. Okay, na? So just means this trinomial multiplied with the monomial. Same like second one, A square sin square C by 2 plus B square cos square, B square sin square C by 2 minus, plus 2AB sin square C by 2. Okay, na? Now just identify the terms like A square term, here A square term. If I take A square as a common term, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1 according to the identity. So A square into 1. Same way B square, if I take common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. So that is also becomes 1. B square into 1 minus 2AB. If I take 2AB term common, so what is remaining? Cos square C by 2 minus sin square C by 2. Cos square C by 2 minus sin square C by 2. So that is equals to, it is looking like A square plus B square minus 2AB. What formula we should get? Cos C. Because it is the formula for cos 2 theta. So what is the cos 2 theta formula? Cos square theta minus sin square theta, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So according to that, cos C will be. Cos C means it is the formula for cosine rule. C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. So answer is C square. Okay, na? Cosine rule. Let us go to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 4. In triangle ABC, B into cos square C by 2, B into cos square C by 2 plus C into cos square B by 2. C into cos square B by 2. So let us try to find the value for this. And the fourth problem is, now I am writing that cos C by 2 formula. So B as it is, cos C by 2 half angle formula root over S into S minus C by AB. Cos C by 2 formula root over S into S minus C by AB. Now this one, cos square is there, that's why I removed the square root. Cos C by 2 value, this one root over S into S minus C by AB. But it is cos square, no? If I apply square root cancel. That's why I remove that. Now cos B by 2 value, S into S minus B by AC. Okay, na? Now denominator B, numerator B cancel. Denominator C, numerator C cancel. What is remaining? S into S minus C plus s into s minus b whole divided by a, because both are having the same denominator a. Now this one s into s square minus sc, s square minus sb. Or any cancellation? Yeah, let us try to do. It will be 2s square minus, if I take s is common, so it is b plus c. Okay, na? B plus c, that is equals to 2s square minus s into, in the place of b plus c we can write 2s minus a, 2s minus a whole by a, that is equals to 2s square minus 2s square plus sa by a. So minus 2s square plus 2s square will be cancelled. What is remaining? S into a by a cancel. Answer is s, semi perimeter. We'll go to the next problem. Yeah. Problem number 5 in triangle ABC, A comma B comma C are in AP. AP is nothing but arithmetic progression. Now we need to identify the tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2 are in. Tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2 are in harmonic progression HP. So it is already given the condition in your textbook. So you can just revise that. So sixth one also, in triangle ABC are in AP, then cot A by 2, cot B by 2. So tan inverse is cot. So if tan is in the form of HP harmonic progression, then cot will be in AP arithmetic progression. Okay, na? So fifth question is harmonic progression. Sixth question is arithmetic progression. Okay, let us go to the problem number 7. Seventh problem. So the seventh problem is given that sin sin a by 2 plus b, sin a by 2 plus b by sin a by 2. For simplifying this answer, so let us see that answer is in the form of a and b, a, b, c terms. Okay, na? Now for this, according to my convenient, I am just multiplying both numerator and denominator with 2 cos a by 2. Okay, na? And while you are observing the denominator in the form of 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 is the formula for sin a. 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 is the formula for sin a. And here 2 sin cos is the formula from the transformations sin plus sin. Okay, na? Sin plus sin means first add. That means a by 2 plus b plus a by 2 plus subtract. A by 2 plus b minus a by 2. Plus a by 2 minus a by 2 cancel. Here a by 2 plus a by 2 becomes a. This is a plus b. Sin a plus b plus sin b by sin a. Okay, na? So we got that sin a plus b plus sin b. Now I am writing it is a triangle, right? In a triangle, sum of three angles 180 degrees. A plus b plus c is equals to 180. From this sin a plus b I can write 180 minus c. 180 minus c. 180 minus which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant, sin ratio positive. Whenever 180 degrees, sin ratio remains sine. So this I can express as sin c plus sin b by sin a. Now I am using that sine rule. What is sine rule? A by sin a is equals to b by sin b is equals to c by sin c is equal to 2r. So from this I can write sin a is equal to a by 2r. Correct? Same here. This is c by 2r plus b by 2r by a by 2r. I am just using a sine rule. Okay. So numerator and denominator here, both denominators are same. I can write this one c plus b by 2r, this one a by 2r. Both are having the same denominators. Denominator can be cancelled. So you can write c plus b by a, but in the textbook it is given b plus c by a. Both are same. Okay, na? So let us go to the next problem. Yeah. The problem number 8 is given that in triangle ABC, ABC into cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. So just half angle formula we will apply here in the in this triangle. Half angle formula here ABC is as it is. For this I can write root over S into S minus A by BC. S into S minus A by BC. For this root over S into S minus B by AC and into root over S into S minus C by AB. So all are having the square roots, same order, nothing but, and having only into symbol between them, we can write all of them together only one formula. That means only one square root we can apply that. Now S into S, nothing but S cube. S cube I can write S square into S. And what are the remaining? S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by BC into AC. Sorry, this is AB. That means A 2 times, B 2 times, C 2 times. That means A into A square, B square, C square. A square, B square, C square. If you apply the square root, it will be ABC. It will be ABC. Already we have numerator ABC. And what is the remaining terms here? S square into S square. From this S square, I will get 1S. And root over S into S minus A into S minus B, that will be the area of triangle delta. So ABC can be cancelled, delta into S, delta S, or S into delta also delta S. The answer for 8th question is this. So let us go to the problem number 9. Yeah, the 9th question is given that in triangle ABC, if A plus B plus C into B plus C minus A, B plus C minus A equals to 3BC. Then we need to find out the value of the angle. Let us try to substitute here. A plus B plus C is nothing but we can write 2S. And this one 2S minus 2A we can write. That is equals to 3BC. Okay, na? So if you take common here, that is 4S. Means 2 common. 4S into S minus A. This will be S into S minus A by 3 into BC. But whenever I can see S into S minus A, I can recognize that cos formula, cos A by 2. So this BC I am dividing this side, S into S minus A by BC equals to 3 by 4. That means I am just transforming the variables one side and numbers one side. Apply square root both sides. This will be the formula of cos B by 2. Sorry, cos A by 2 formula. Cos A by 2 is equals to root 3 by 2. So whenever cos value here, root 3 by 2 is nothing but cos value is 30 degrees. Both sides cos cancel. A by 2 value is 30 degrees. That implies A value is equals to 60. 30 into 2 is 60 degrees. Our required answer is 60 degrees. Let us go to the problem number 10. Yeah, the 10th problem is given in triangle ABC. A is equal to 3C. Capital A is equal to 3C. Then we need to find A minus C by 2C. A minus C by 2C. So try to apply the formula for sine rule. Yeah, sine rule. In the place of A, I can write 2R sine A. A by sine A is equal to R. A is equal to 2R sine A. From the small c, we can write 2R sine C by 2 into C. C value I can write 2 into, in the place of C, 2R sine C. A minus C by 2C. Okay, na? So I am taking 2R is a common from the numerator. It will be 2R into sine A minus sine C by 2 into 2R into sine C. So 2R cancel. Now denominator 2 is remaining, that is 2 sine C and sine A minus C. Sine A minus sine C transformation formula. Sine minus sine is nothing but 2 cos sine. 2 cos A plus C by 2 sine A minus C by 2. Okay, na? So from this numerator 2, denominator 2 can be cancelled. cos A plus C. In the place of A plus C, I can write 180 minus B. 180 minus B by 2 means 90 minus B by 2. 90 minus cos 90 minus it is sin. This will be sin B by 2. And sin A minus C by 2. But here condition is given in the place of A is 3C. So in the place of A I have written 3C. 3C by 2. 3C minus C is 2C. 2C by 2 is nothing but sin C. So denominator also sin C will be there. Sin C cancel. Therefore the answer will be sin B by 2. Okay na? So let us go to the next problem. Problem number 11. Okay. The 11th question is, yeah, A plus B plus C into tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 value we should find. A plus B plus C into tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 value. Now I am taking a triangle condition. A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Yeah, A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. A plus B is equal to 180 minus C, and A plus B by 2 is equals to 90 minus C by 2. Now apply tan both sides. Apply tan both sides. Okay na? So tan A plus B by 2 formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan 90 minus C by 2 is nothing but cot C by 2. Okay na? Now the denominator transpose that side. Then the left side will have tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 equals to cot C by 2 into 1 cot C by 2 minus 1 into, that means minus tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 with this one. So tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 into cot C by 2. Okay na? Now I am just trying to apply the transformation formula. That means not transformation, half angle formulas I am applying. Cot C by 2 I am leaving as it is. Minus tan A by 2 into tan B by 2, I can write root over S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A, and this one also I am extending here, S minus A into S minus C by S into S minus B into cot C by 2. Okay. Now denominator S minus A, numerator S minus A cancel, and denominator S minus B, numerator S minus B cancels. That means denominator only S into S remains. And here I am taking cot C by 2 common. What is remaining? 1 minus, in the root we will have S minus C into S minus C by S into S. So while you are applying the root, it will be S minus C by S. Okay na? That equals to, now like mixed fraction, this is cot C by 2 into S. Now I am just multiplying with minus symbol, minus into S, minus into minus, plus C by 2. Sorry, C by S. Minus S plus S cancel. That is equals to cot C by 2 into C by S. But the question is asked that A plus B plus C into this one. But we found only tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2. We did not take A plus B plus C. Now I am taking A plus B plus C both sides. A plus B plus C. S is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. Okay na? That means here 2 will be. That is equal to 2C into cot C by 2 is our required answer. Okay na? That's it. Let us go to the next problem. Problem number 12. The 12th problem, 4R cos A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. Yeah. So just try to apply that cos A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2 formula like this only. So 4R cos A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. Apply the cos C half angle formula. That means 4r into root s into s minus a by bc. Now this one also I am applying to the same root, s into s minus b by ac and s into s minus c by ab. Okay, na? That is equals to 4r. That is s into s minus a into s minus b. In the place of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus a, I can write delta, and s into s square, in square root s square will be s divided by a square b square c square means abc. Okay, na? But we already discussed the formula for delta value abc by 4r. Delta formula is abc by 4r into s. So these two cancel, answer will be s. Okay, let us go to the problem number 13. Yeah, the 13th problem is given that, so in triangle a by 2, sin a by 2 and cos b by 2 value is a plus b, a plus c minus b. Yeah, sin a by 2 value and cos b by 2 value equals to a plus c minus b by 2c into k. We need to identify the value of k. Substitute the value, sin a by 2 value s minus b into s minus c by bc, and cos b by 2 value in the same root I am applying, s into s minus a by bc. Okay, that is equal to a plus c minus b by 2c into k. So I am taking s minus b, root over s minus b by bc common. What is the remaining in the root? S into s minus c. Okay, by bc will be, that is equals to a plus c minus b by 2c into k. Now from this I am just writing, in the place of a plus c I can write 2s minus b, that means 2 common, s minus b by 2c will be, 2 to cancel, s minus b by c will be there. Okay, now here also s minus b by c and s minus b by c are the same terms, 2 times will be there, no? So the 2 times if you bring outside, 1 time will be coming without the root. So s minus b by c, and what is remaining here? S minus c, s into s minus c by b. So that is nothing but k value is this, because while comparing LHS and RHS spots, so k value is equals to root over s into s minus c by b. That is our required answer. Okay, so let us go to the next problem. The question, the sides are in the AP tan a by 2 plus tan c by 2 formula. So let us try to apply the tan formula here. Yeah, ABC are in AP, that means we can write 2B is equals to A plus C. Then what is given? Tan A by 2 plus tan C by 2 value. Okay, na? So tan A by 2 and tan C by 2, I am applying the formula directly, half angle formula. What is that half angle formula? Root over s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus a plus root over s minus a into s minus c by s into s minus b. Let us try to identify the any common terms from both of them. S minus c by s is common. So root over s minus c by s is take the common term from the both of them. What is the remaining here? Root s minus b by s minus a plus this one root s minus a by s minus b. Okay, and we know that 2b value is nothing but a plus c. So this one s value is nothing but a plus b plus c by 2. Am I right? Yeah, by 2 minus c by s. Or leave this first one as it is. Root over s minus c by s into this one. S minus b by s plus c. So in the place of b, we can write a plus b, a plus c by 2. Okay, or else any common term. Yeah. After taking the common terms, s minus c by root s. S minus b by s minus a by s minus b value will be remains. Yeah, s value will be s value a plus b plus c by 2 minus b by a plus b plus c by 2 minus a. But in the place of a plus c, I can write 2b. 2b. Okay, a plus in the red, 2b. 2b plus b is 3b. 3b by 2. Okay, so simply if you want to write like this, root over s minus e by s into 3b by 2 minus b. So that means 3b minus 2b by 2 means b by 2 will be there in the root. So divided by here in the place of what will be here, a plus c means 2b plus b 3b. 3b by 2 means 3b minus 2a by 2. Plus root over s minus a divided by s minus b. Yeah, we do one thing after here, after this step, we do the cross multiplication. That means let us write this root x by y is nothing but root x by root y. So like that we just apply the cross multiplication, root s minus b into s minus b, root s minus b whole square. Here root s minus a into s minus a, root s minus a whole square divided by root over s minus a into s minus b. Okay, now here square root cancel. And what is remaining? Root over s minus c by s into, yeah, s minus a plus s minus b is nothing but 2s minus of a plus b by root over s minus a into s minus b. Okay, so from that a plus b I can write 2s minus c. Okay, na? Root over s minus c by s. A plus b in the place of a plus b I can write 2s minus c. 2s minus c becomes plus c. Yeah, c cancel. Here root over s into s minus a into s minus b. Okay. Yeah, that is equals to root over. Now this value while you are observing here, tan formula reverse. That means tan c by 2. Tan c by 2 formula reverse is nothing but cot c by 2 will be. Cot c by 2 formula. Yeah. Yeah, let us go to the next problem. Fifteenth question, in triangle ABC, area of triangle is equals to a square minus b minus c whole square. Then we need to find the value of tan a. Okay, na? Yeah, 1 second here. The cot c by 2 correct only, but here while you are observing here, denominator s into s, 1 s will come the denominator, and the numerator c into root over s minus c by s minus a into s minus b. But we want one more s no inside. So let us try to write. It will be cot c by 2 into c by s square. Yeah, that will be the answer. Next, a square minus b minus c whole square equals to tan a. We need to identify the value of tan a. Okay. Yeah, this one I am writing a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square. That means a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this one a plus b minus is nothing but 2s minus 2c, and this will be 2s minus 2b. This is delta. Okay, so that is equals to, if you take 2 common, 2 into 2, 4 common will be s minus c into s minus b. But what is the formula for delta? Delta is nothing but root over. So root will come now. I am squaring on both sides here. Squaring. That means this entire term squaring. This entire term also becomes squaring. So delta value s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Area of triangle formula root over. But when I am squaring it, root cancel. So remaining terms will be there. Now this one, 2 square 4, 4 into 4 square is 16. Now this will be s minus c into s minus b. Again s minus c into s minus b. Square means 2 times they should be multiplied. No. Now s minus a as this. Okay. S minus a, here s minus b. S minus b, s minus c cancel. What is remaining? S into s minus a. Now these two I am bringing this side. S minus c into s minus b is equals to 16. If I reverse this one, I will get s minus c into s minus b by, s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus c. So it is the formula for tan a by 2, tan square a by 2. So I am reversing tan square a by 2 is value is nothing but 1 by 16. Both are interchanging now. I am reciprocals I have written. So from this tan a by 2 is equals to square, if you transpose outside root, it will be 1 by 4. Tan a by 2 value 1 by 4. But we should get tan a value. Tan a value, I am using tan 2a formula, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. That means 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. Submultiple angle formula. So tan a by 2 value 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 16. Tan square a by 2 value 1 by 16. So here 2 times cancel, 1 by 2, denominator 16 ones are 16, 15 by 16. Now it will be 1 by 2 into 16 by 15. Reciprocal I am taking. 2 table 8 times cancel, 8 by 15 is the required answer. Please note that. Then we will go to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 16. 17, 25, 28 are the sides of a triangle, then the greatest length of altitude. The greatest length of altitude always falls on the smallest side. That means the smallest side, if you take 17, the greatest altitude will be fall on the smallest side. Okay, na? So 17 will be there, and by using that, altitude, yeah. So this one we should find according to the formula. Which question this one? Yeah, 16th question. Area of triangle formula of base into height, right? Of base is 17. Height we want altitude, that's only. But area we have one more formula by using the Heron's formula, root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Apply the formula because we know that a, b, c values. Okay, na? So root over s, that means sum of all sides, 17 plus 25 plus 28. 17 plus 25 plus 28. Yeah, 5 plus 12, 20, 70. So s value 35. So s into s minus a, 35 minus 17 is 18, and 35 minus 25 is 10, and 35 minus 28 is 7. Okay, na? So s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, that is equals to h into 17 by 2, that is root over 35. I can write 7 into 5, and 18 I can write 9 2s, 10 I can write 2 5s, and 7. So 2 terms will bring you the 1 term. 2 7s, 1 7 will come without the root. 2 5s, 1 5, 2 2s, 1 2, 9 means 3. Square number 3. So what is that? H is equals to 2 into 17. Multiply all of them, 420 will come. 420 by 17 is the altitude height or height of a triangle. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. Problem number 17. Sorry. Yeah, we have to go through the options. Just check this one, 17th one. We'll go to the 18th problem. So sine power 4a, sine power 4a plus sine power 4b plus sine power 4c is equals to sine square b sine square c plus sine 2 sine square c sine square a plus 2 sine square a sine square b. We need to find the value of a. Okay, na? So I am taking that sine values. So sine square a, I am taking sine value as a. So I can take a square whole square. This one b square whole square. C value c square whole square. For simplifying for us. So this one a square b square plus 2c square a square plus 2a square b square. Now bring all the terms left side. It will be a square whole square plus b square whole square plus c square whole square minus a square b square minus 2c square a square minus 2a square b square, that is equals to 0. But while you are observing this one, it is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square formula, a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. But here 2 is not there for the first one. So I am just adding plus 3ab square both sides. Plus 3a square b square, right side also 3a square b square. Okay, na? Now here minus a square b square plus 3ab square gives 2a square b square. That means while you are observing the remaining term, common letter a is having the negative term. So from this I can write b square plus c square minus a square whole square will be a plus b plus c whole square, that is equals to 3a square b square. Okay, na? While you are observing, it is somewhat looking like cos formula. Okay, na? So applying the square root both sides, it will be b square plus c square minus a square is equal to root 3 into ab. That ab bring this side, it is divided by ab. Then left hand side part will be in the form of cos a formula. Okay, na? 2ab I will take, or else. Okay, na? B square plus c square minus a square by 2bc should be now. Two BC cos a must be there. 3a square b square. Okay, or else. Okay, divided by 2bc both sides. That means in the square means 4b square c square. Okay. Now apply the square root both sides, it will be b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc, that is equals to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into ab by bc. bb cancel, a by c will be remaining. So this is the formula for cos b. Cos b is equals to root 3 by 2 into a by c. Okay, na? What is the value? Yeah, b square plus c square minus a square. Yeah, actually this is b square c square now, so we should write b square c square over here. So that's right. This is also b square c square will be both sides we will get. So divided by square root, if you remove this one, b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc is equals to 3 by 4 b square c square by b square c square. So these two cancel, root 3 by 4 value will be there. So cos b is equal to, cos b is equal to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 value is nothing but cos 30 degrees. So pi by 6. Okay. So same like 19th problem, direct form and square unit. A, B, C values are given. Apply the root over s into s minus a into s minus b value. Heron's formula, you will get that answer. Okay, 20th one. Yeah, same. This model we already did 20th one also. Yeah, remaining problems I think you can try. Yeah, that's it for today, children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.